Hi, my name is Dan Purgett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 29-foot Cobalt. It's a 2012. It's just traded in. Got a nice sleek gray with a black strip accent, a white bottom. On the swim platform here, this back piece, as you can see, flips down for a swim step. Got a couple speakers in the back, nice loungers. Inside this 296, you can see this really big sun pad to lay out on. The boat is absolutely in perfect condition. Got a bench here, it flips back and forth. Nice seats. Got no rips or tears in the upholstery. Got an upgraded sound system. Got a sink. Just some areas for storage under there. Food or beverages. Got the head, the sink. Here in the bow, again, nice big area to lounge out. Got a ton of cup holders, some in-floor storage. Here at the helm, you have all your tachs. It's equipped with a Garmin touch screen. Very nice. Again, great condition. They really took care of this boat. So again, my name is Dan Purgett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.